In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to discover the shortcut for decreasing font size in Google Vids. Whether you're polishing up a presentation or fine-tuning a project for work or school, mastering shortcuts can save you loads of time. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Vids. This can easily be done by navigating to the Google Vids homepage. For those unfamiliar, Google Vids is part of Google's Workspace suite, offering powerful video editing capabilities right from your browser. Once you're there, the next thing you need to do is to ensure you're signed into your Google account. This step is crucial because accessing and editing your Google Vids projects requires authentication. Look for the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner of the screen, and click on it. A new page will load, prompting you to choose an account to continue with if you're logged into multiple Google accounts. Select the account you wish to use. This should be the one associated with the Google Vids project you're working on. After you've successfully signed in, it's time to start working on your project. Assuming you've got a text block or two that you're looking to tweak, the first action is to highlight the text whose font size you intend to adjust. Click and drag your cursor over the text to do this, making sure every bit of text you want to change is highlighted. Following the selection of your text, your next step involves navigating to the Format menu. You'll find this option towards the top of your screen, among other menu items like File, Edit, and View. Click on Format, and a drop-down menu appears. Here you'll be diving deeper into your text formatting options, so look for the Text option within this menu. Another click and yet another drop-down menu appears. This time you're looking for the Size option, which, as you've probably guessed, controls the size of your font. Once you've made it to the Size menu, you're very close to discovering the shortcut. But instead of directly changing the font size here, you're going to hover over the options, specifically locate the Decrease Font Size option. Rather than clicking on it, simply hover your cursor over this option. As you do so, a tooltip should appear, revealing the magical shortcut you're after. This tooltip will display a combination of keys that, when pressed together, will decrease the font size of your selected text, all without navigating through the menus again. Now you might be wondering, why go through all this just to find out a shortcut? Well, learning shortcuts like this one can significantly speed up your editing process, allowing you to make quick adjustments without lifting your hands from the keyboard. It's a small step towards becoming more efficient and proficient in using Google Vids, and indeed any software. Some additional tips to keep in mind while working with shortcuts and Google Vids. Always ensure your text is correctly highlighted before attempting to use keyboard shortcuts to avoid unintentional changes. Also, remember that learning shortcuts is a gradual process. Start by incorporating a few shortcuts into your routine and expanding your repertoire as you become more comfortable. To recap, today you've learned how to navigate to Google Vids, sign in, highlight text, find the Format menu, dive into text, then size, and finally reveal the shortcut for decreasing font size, all through a simple yet effective exploration within Google Vids. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Google Vids experience, saving you time and making your work just a bit easier. Keep practicing, and soon these shortcuts will become second nature. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.